Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Bernadette De Lumen. I'm from Camariniso. I'm 28 years old. I'm single and I'm high school graduate.
Do you know how to take care of kids?
Yes, I know how to take care of kids.
Can you tell us how?
By assisting taking a bath and give food nutrition.
Please give a sample of nursery song.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding dang dong, ding dang dong.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
For my family and my dreams.
Any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I'm hardworking and trustworthy, and I do my job whatever it takes to finish my contract. Thank you. God bless.